Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have learned the valuable lesson of taking care of your body. And these BLITZU heel ankle support sleeves have been so helpful in that. Now, if you're like me and you have bird ankles, you may run into a lot of injuries, sprains, twists, just sore overall from use. It's important to make sure you have the support that you need around that ankle. Because if you injure your ankle, you really limit the activities you can do after that. It takes a long time to heal. So these are just a great thing to have, even if you are not injured necessarily or haven't injured your ankles in a while. It's just a good thing to have just in case. No matter how experienced hiker or dancer or athlete you are, injuries happen. It's just a fact of life. So not only do I love the color of these, green is my favorite color, but they really are so well made. The material is stretchy but secure. It gives good support to my arches. It has a perfect little pocket where my heel goes. It definitely has a snug compression feel that goes around my ankle. They just are a really good defense for injuries or discomfort when you are out and about and having fun. And that's my point of view.